Welcome to another food substitution video. In this video we will cover 8 substitutes and alternatives that you can use for paneer. What does paneer taste like? Some interesting facts about paneer, as well as the health benefits of paneer. However, before we get started, please help us out by liking the video, hitting the bell notification, and subscribing to our channel. Doing so helps us to create more videos and content. Also, if you're up for a challenge, take the vegan challenge. More information can be found in the description below. Paneer is an Indian cheese made from curdled milk and fruit or vegetable acid. It can be eaten as a snack, at dinner, or even for breakfast. There are numerous theories as to where paneer originated, the oldest and most popular of which dates back to the 16th century. Paneer has a mild and milky flavor. The flavor can be compared to other types of fresh cheese, such as Italian ricotta or American supermarket cottage cheese. Since it's normally unsalted, when consumed alone, some people consider it to be bland. The finest paneer is homemade, but from Indian stores and ethnic supermarkets, you can also purchase store-bought, ready-to-eat cheese. Prior to consumption, this cheese should be soaked in hot water, since this will make it smoother and less rubbery. Without wasting more time, here are some alternatives you can try in place of the regular paneer if you can't find paneer. 1. Feta cheese. Feta is a soft cheese or a mixture of sheep's milk and goat's milk. In Greece, in a salty brine, feta is cured. With small holes and a crumbly texture, feta is creamy white in color. It typically comes in square, rind-free cakes. 2. Mozzarella cheese. New mozzarella, originating in Italy, is a sliceable curd cheese. It is typically made from the milk of water buffalo, not North American buffalo or bison, as many erroneously think. It is considered to be one of the healthier cheeses. 3. Halloumi cheese. Halloumi is a semi-hard cheese with a slightly spongy appearance, unripened and brindled. Its taste is tangy and salty, and there is no rind in it. It's a perfect cheese for grilling or frying due to its high melting point. 4. Panela cheese. Panela is a young, white, mild cheese that does not mature. Like Queso fresco, it crumbles, but not as much. It could be better characterized as a firm ricotta for its texture. In English, it does not have a separate name because there is no American equivalent. 5. Tofu. This option is perfect for vegans. Tofu is made of curdled and pressed soybeans into blocks, sort of like making cheese. Tofu can also be fortified with vitamins or minerals, such as calcium or vitamin B12, depending on the form you purchase. At outstanding price points, Trader Joe's and Whole Foods both produce their own organic tofu. 6. Ricotta. Ricotta originated in Italy, where any dairy animal could make it from milk whey. A mixture of whey and whole, low-fat, skimmed cow's milk is commonly used in U.S. ricotta production. 7. Mexican Queso Blanco. Queso Blanco is a smooth, unaged fresh Mexican cheese. It is made from cow's milk or cow's milk and goat's milk combined. The cheese is simple to make at home, due to its short ripening process. In Spanish, the word queso blanco means white cheese, but in different regions, similar cheeses have their own names. The texture and flavor are mild, firm and crumbly. 8. Cottage cheese. The cottage cheese is soft, smooth, and white. It is considered a fresh cheese, so to produce flavor, it does not undergo an aging or ripening process. Cottage cheese, whether non-fat, reduced fat, or normal milk, is made from the curds of different levels of pasteurized cow's milk. That was 8 substitutes you can use for paneer. Stay tuned to learn more about paneer. Paneer can be eaten as a snack, at dinner, or even for breakfast. And while cheese might not look like a typical item for breakfast, don't knock it until you've tried it. There are numerous theories as to where paneer originated, the oldest and most popular of which dates back to the 16th century in Southeast Asia, where the cheese was first introduced by Persian and Afghani rulers. Here are some health benefits for paneer. Every day is fine, provided the intake is moderate. However, a lot of energy and the right amount of protein are required for people who do a lot of weight training at the gym. So, provided you have an active lifestyle, an estimated 100 grams of paneer per day will not hurt. It is best to consume less than 100 grams, however, as eating this amount of paneer daily equals a high-calorie intake. Try eating paneer made from low-fat milk. Paneer can reduce breast cancer risk. Cancer is prevalent, and breast cancer among women is growing at an alarming pace. Paneer contains calcium and vitamin D, both of which are responsible for reducing breast cancer. Paneer also keeps bones and teeth healthy. The calcium content of paneer is rich, and calcium is known to strengthen both the teeth and the bones. In addition to this, calcium intake also allows the nervous system to function smoothly, and the muscles of the heart remain healthy. Paneer could aid in weight loss. For all of those fitness freaks, good news. Paneer helps you to lose weight because it contains protein that keeps you full for a long time. In addition, it also has a fatty acid that helps to burn quite a lot of fat. Paneer also helps with a healthy digestion. It contains both magnesium and phosphorus. Phosphorus aids in both smooth absorption and excretion. And magnesium prevents constipation as a consequence of having a laxative effect. Paneer is a great cheese for people with diabetes. The magnesium in the paneer helps to stabilize and sustain the levels of blood sugar, and also improves the health of the heart and strengthens the immune system. So there you have it. That was 8 substitutes for paneer as well as other beneficial information on paneer. We hope you enjoyed the video, and if you haven't already, please like the video, hit the bell notification, and subscribe. We put a lot of time and effort into these videos, and we want to continue to create them. Also, don't forget that we have some helpful links located in the description below, as well as the 28-day vegan challenge.